Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at an earthquake hitting Changzhou city in Jiangsu Province, China on the 22nd of December 2021. The 4.2 magnitude earthquake hit just after 9 PM at a depth of 10 kilometers, with residents feeling the impact in their homes. Animals fled after feeling the earthquake, while buildings were shaken. The effects of the earthquake were felt in neighbouring cities, including Shanghai and along the banks of the Yangtze River. Cracks were reported in roads following the earthquake, disrupting traffic. Earthquakes are not a common occurrence in this part of China. Authorities are assessing the damage caused by this event, however they believe there is no threat of further earthquakes in this area in the coming days. Thank you for watching, with special thanks to my Patreon members. Please comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.